crack on. So I've got the Revolution. Can you see it with all that shine? There we go. Revolution Corrector in green. Let's crack on. I'm not actually doing too bad today. I've got my usual red cheeks. I have a couple of breakouts with being poorly, so what are you gonna do? So, okay, we've got the sponge, which is quite big actually, which kind of tells me there's a lot of room for it to be cushioned, which will be lovely on my skin. The product is in the other end of the container, and it's kind of spring loaded, so you load the sponge up with the product by doing that, and then we just dot it on, I presume. Let's crack on. I always feel when I'm putting green correctors on at this stage like, what are you doing, Neve? What are you doing? So it's a lot drier than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like more creamy than it's coming out, but that might just be my skin. Let's face it. The sponge is super soft and it's going on really nicely, so can't complain there. Oh, I look like a kitty cat now. Right, so let's try and blend it out a little bit. I mean, I say blend it out. It's just to kind of diffuse it and make it not look like a big splodge of something to go underneath my foundation. So let's kind of just even it out, and then we're ready to put foundation over the top of it. Oh, it always looks mega crazy at this stage, especially because I've done my eyeshadow as well. So if you're liking the eyeshadow, by the way, that is a review and a bit of a tutorial on the Celestial palette from Revolution Pro, so I don't know whether that's going up before this or after this, so go and have a look for it if you're liking this one. Right, okay, so it's not kind of sunk in too much. There's a little bit where it's sunk into a little bit of the texture, but in no way is that a lot, and it's not standing out very much, so that's just me nitpicking, to be honest. And obviously we're going to put foundation over the top and concealer, so that's fine. I feel like it has neutralized that red band that I get across my face. Right there, Looney. So yeah, it's not drying tight. It's not looking chalky. It's just looking like it's on my skin and it's going with the texture of my skin, so that's really good. So I'm not going to have like a different finish in the middle of my face where I've applied this, so I'm loving that so far. Right, so let me go and complete the rest of my face, and I will come back and let you know what I've thought of this and how it's performed. All right, my gorgeous ones, I am finished, the look's done. So this here Revolution Green Cushion Corrector business, what do we think? I think it's ruddy marvellous, is what I think. It went on and I kind of felt like I had that big mask across my face, like I was some sort of weird green frog highwayman situation going on. But now I've got my foundation and everything else over the top of it, my skin looks awesome. There is no discoloration whatsoever. You cannot see where the redness was. You can't see where the product was. I don't have a lot of foundation on at all. I've kind of got the smallest amount on because I've been testing the foundation. It's another Revolution Pro one, so go and find that video if it's up. Yeah, and it's literally just made my skin look really even, which is ideal. Elixir. So this again is the Revolution Green Cushion Corrector, and I am giving it a big Leila Land thumbs up. I mean, what is new? Maybe that should be the mission, like try and find one I don't like. So yeah, I like that one. Obviously, I will leave a link down below to everything, and yeah, I really like that one. I thought the cushion was really nice and cushiony. Go with me. Like it felt really luxurious and really comfortable to put on my skin. It's not dried, it's not gone chalky, you can't see any residue through the foundation that I've got on, which is perfect. Elixir. If you've liked this video, make sure you go and give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribed if you haven't already, and have a great rest of your day, whatever it is you're doing. Even if it's night time and you're about to go to sleep, I hope you have a lovely sleep. I hope you wake up feeling refreshed and ready for the day. If you are watching this in the morning, at the start of your day, I hope your day is wonderful. Yeah, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.